Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to use Alaska Airlines Companion Fare. Booking airfare with the Alaska Airlines Companion Fare is straightforward. You can apply it to any eligible online booking. As long as you select 2 travelers during your flight search, your Companion Fare discount code will automatically apply to your booking. First, locate your Companion Fare discount code by logging into your Mileage Plan account. Now click on your profile and select the Discounts and Companion Fare Codes link. If you're starting on the Alaska Airlines homepage, select the Use Discount or Companion Fare Code link under the flight search box. Or you can simply visit the flight booking page website. Then enter your Alaska Airlines discount code in the designated box and provide your travel preferences. Be sure to select at least 2 passengers for the flight. To find an eligible fare, look for a red symbol next to some of the fares on the results page. Select your fare and proceed with booking your flight as usual. After that, enter the Alaska Mileage Plan number on both travelers so everyone earns miles and makes progress towards elite status. On the checkout page, you view the final cost and ensure the companion fare has been applied. You'll pay just $99 plus the cost of taxes and fees for the second traveler. Lastly, remember to use your Alaska Airlines credit card to pay for the flights. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.